show you how to change the oil on a Honda Lawn Mower, but most lawn mowers are identical, so if you know how to change one, you should be able to change more or less any. So there's my lawnmower. Got a dish to collect the oil. Got a couple of blocks, 4-inch blocks, just to set it up. So the oil goes into the oil clean hole. This is it. This is where the oil goes in and out. So take the dipstick out, and then it's just a matter of tipping the lawnmower on the side. Ooh, not that easy. Oh God. Drain it all out. Can be a bit messy. Now bear in mind, I left the lawnmower running for 5 minutes just to warm the oil, makes the oil thinner and runs easier, so gets every last drop out. I'm gonna let it drip. So there we go, more or less seems to be all out. Stop dripping. So a little more back down. Lift the oil out. That's the oil out of it. And I've got clean it up. A bit messy oil. So here we have the replacement oil, 0.6 litres. I've read the instructions. This lawnmower says 0.55 max, so this shouldn't be far away. Bought this on Amazon, but I'm sure any garage would have it. So hard to get it poured in right at pouring over, so have a funnel and just gonna take it easy. Keep a wee bit in the bottom of the drum. Not going to pour it all in, just in case. And let it run in. And a cloth or something is very useful for keeping clean. So, there we have it. Another bit of kitchen roll or a cloth. You have a cloth on there. Clean the dipstick now. Give it a second to roll down in. Clean the dipstick up well and see if there's enough in it. Enough light. There we have. It's hard to see oil's up to the top mark. A bit hard to see because it's so clean. The oil's so clean. But if it's a bit low, you can top it up with the remaining bit in your oil drum. So there we have it. Bit messy the way I done it, but that's the oil change of the lawnmower. So just be sure and check your levels before you start the lawnmower. Let it sit and make sure your levels are right. So I'm going to leave it for another 5 minutes, then I'm going to recheck the level of my oil just before I start it, because it do serious damage if it isn't correct. So thank you.